Make sure you save this video if you are struggling with your retell lecture in PTE, which impacts your listening and speaking scores. This will surely increase your marks in both. I'm Malcolm. Thanks. Now let's talk about retell lecture. I'm going to share the universal template. I guarantee you, if you use it properly with proper content which is relevant to the lecture, you will get a very high score. Please understand that fluency doesn't mean that you speak very fast. You have to speak at a natural speed. Okay. Secondly, you don't have to just speak random words from the lecture. Like, you can't just keep on speaking random words like from the lecture I can hear carbon dioxide, oxygen, nitrogen. No, it has to make some meaningful sense. Like, from the lecture I can hear that the Earth's atmosphere consists of different components which include carbon dioxide, oxygen and nitrogen. You see how it makes better sense? So content with context is now what gets a higher score in listening in PTE. Only keywords will not get you a higher score without proper context. Now the template or the structure which I use and which I teach is very simple. The first sentence you start like this: the speaker was talking about. Second sentence you start with moreover. Third sentence you start with additionally. Fourth sentence furthermore. Last sentence lastly. So I have a tip. Before the test starts, you have some sheets given to you. Take 2 sheets and on the sheets just write MAFL, just the initial letters, so that you know what M stands for. And when the keywords are spoken, you write in your own symbolic way next to those keywords so that you can take proper notes accordingly. I'll give an example. Let's say the audio is about the pollution which is in space. So imagine a lecture and then just think that the answer is going to be like this. For example, the speaker was talking about pollution which is left in the space by a lot of rockets. Moreover, it was clearly mentioned that more than 100 rockets are orbiting the Earth every year. Additionally, from the lecture we can say that rockets leave a lot of pollution in the Earth's atmosphere. Furthermore, it can be added that due to the heat left by the rockets, the ozone layer is also being depleted every year. Furthermore, this pollution can be controlled by proven techniques such as carbon reduction and fissure omission techniques. Lastly, if omission is to be reduced, governments and scientists need to take measures proactively. So here I repeated sort of 4 to 5 sentences in my own words, which also included the main keywords from the lecture. I guarantee you, use this structure confidently in the exam. You will get full marks in listening and speaking also. And also, don't speak too fast. Speak at a normal rate, at a normal pace, so that the software doesn't think that you're using any memorized templates. If you want more of such tips and tricks in PT, IELTS and NATI CCL, make sure you contact us. We offer group as well as personal one-on-one classes for all courses. I'm Malcolm. Thank you.